Good evening, traders. Welcome to 200forexwebs.com. Guys, I'm here with a new video about the super forex trading expert advisor. So before going to the review, if you have not subscribed my channel, then do subscribe it, and also do not forget to press the notification button so that you can keep on getting the forex trading updates from my side. Okay guys, this is the expert advisor review. So I am going to basically review the last 2 days that happened with the expert advisor. And first of all, let me tell you that there was no need of manual trading in the last 2 days because the market was going perfectly fine, and the expert advisor has constantly giving the profits to us. So guys, have a look here. This is the safe trading with 0.01, and guys, you can see 25, 25, 25, 19, and that was a losing trade, automatically closed, and 2.52, 3.08. And look at here, this trading belongs to today because that's 11th of February 2020. You can see that's it today's. And now you can see how many trades it has taken today. So many trades it has taken today. So 25, 25, 25, 19, 2.52, 3.08. And if we go back, and you can see, you can see more 25, 25, and that was the review for the yesterday, like 10th of February, 25, 25, 25, 19, 19. So you know that on the Mondays the market is slow, but still it has taken so many trades on Euro Canadian dollar and Euro USD, and you can see 25, 25, 25, 25, and with the consistent profits, and that belongs to the previous week of 7th of February. So overall, if you calculate here 25, 25, 25, 25, 25, then you can see that we have a series of profits in a row with no problems with this expert advisor. So guys, and right now the good thing about this is that if you look at the both charts, there is no active trade. So whenever you see there is no active trade, so basically I have switched off the auto trading right now because I was about to make the video. But once I close my MT4 terminal and then I restart my MT4 terminal, it will automatically take the trades. So after this video, I will again take the trades. But right now, I'm just showing you that this is the good thing, that no trade is active, and this EA was working. I have just kept my laptop online with my internet, and it went through working on different trades. And once you see that there is no trade at your end, all trades are get cleared, then you restart your MT4 terminal, and then it will again take the trade. So overall guys, this expert advisor is very good, but when it gives you some kind of loss, when we talk about the drawdown, then we will use this trading system. So in the last 2 days, there was no need to use the trading system, because if I make the trend line here on Euro Canadian dollar, you can see perfectly fine that the market was dropping from 10th of February, and look, it has taken maximum sell positions on Euro Canadian dollar. And even if we look about the Euro USD, then Euro USD graph went down, and if you look at Euro USD, then most of the positions are into the sell direction that are also just closed. So guys, overall this expert advisor is very good, and if you are willing to get this expert advisor, then do not miss that opportunity. And if you are willing to get this expert advisor, if you are willing to subscribe to my daily forex signal service, if you want to get these trading indicators that I have just discussed in my video for manual trading, and if you want to improve your trading technique through my video lessons, or you want to request for Skype one-to-one live coaching, for all this you need to send your inquiries on info@200forexwebs.com. Guys, please do like my video, subscribe my YouTube channel, and share this analysis with other traders. Thank you for watching the video.